If you want to enable check-ins on your Facebook page so the visitors can easily share your location when they go to your store, first you gotta launch the app and then just switch to your page that you want to turn on check-ins option. Now go to your professional dashboard. Either tap on these three dots or the pen icon, scroll down to details and then tap on edit. So in here, first you're gonna tap on the category and you need to select any business that has a physical location. It could be a restaurant, a gift shop, gym, whatever is relevant to your business. Like in our case, it's a demo page, but we're gonna just choose information technology company. So whatever you've selected in here, just hit save. Now, after that, you gotta put down the exact location address of your business. So just tap on street, put down the street number, hit save, and then put down the city where it's located, hit save, and then the exact zip code, save it, and lastly, you gotta select the location in the map, and then hit save. You can also put down some additional information, your phone number, WhatsApp, email if you want. Whenever someone is at your location, they can find your business or service right at your location, or they can also manually search for it and then post check-ins under your Facebook page. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching.